In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency section. Then choose Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact here. Now tap on the ones you wish to set up on your list. And when you're finished, hit Done. As you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. Quick tip, you need to make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock screen is blue. Thanks to it, all of your contacts will be accessible on lock screen in case of an emergency. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!